Are you planning to start your vlog? What are those equipments that you can use that are swak for your budgets? Learn here. Hello mga gore, this is Marvin of MReh Ventures. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for you to get notified whenever I have any content. Alright, so for today's video, since a lot of my friends are asking me what are the equipments that I'm using to do my vlog, so I will be sharing to you guys what are these equipments. So this is Kasha Marie, my pamangkin. She will be joining with my vlog kasi kanina pa siya nakikialam dun sa likod na videographer. Magtatagalog muna tayo ngayon kasi marami na tayong mga viewers na mga Tagaler.
Famous ka, girl!
So, for them to as well understand my language, my video content, so I will be using Taglish muna tayo ngayon unless Bisaya. So, please bear with me because it's not my native language. So, alright. So, to begin with, actually, I have purchased this on Shopee online. Actually, marami talagang mga sellers ngayon na meron ng per set na video vlogging equipments, and meron naman yung tig-isa like yung light lang, ring light lang yung bibilin mo, or your mic, meron naman yung pang stand and all that. So for me, I have purchased kasi mas mura kasi yung nakaset na, and this is the box of what I have purchased. This is a Lanzi smartphone vlog kit. So, ano-ano ba ang mga laman nito? So, since nag-unboxing ako noon, so, I will just be showing you ano ba ang mga laman ng kit na to. So, paano nga to i-open? Limot ba? Alright. So, ganito siya, yung mga laman niya. So, maraming box na included doon. Kasama na to dito. This is the box of this one, the 9 LED beads, and pwede nitong hanapin sa Shopee or Lazada, but for this one, I have purchased this with this price. Alright, so ano-ano ba talaga ang mga laman nito? So we will start with here. So ito yung box niya, nakapaloob dito. So, this is the lighting. So, ginagamit ko pa siya pag gabi na ang setting or medyo madilim yung background. So, for this content, since maaraw naman, so let's just use the natural lighting. And the lighting on my phone, which I'm using right now. So, this one as well, na-assemble ko na siya. So, pag bibilin mo to, pag bibilin mo to, ano pa siya, separate pa siya yung mga parts. So, pag naka-assemble siya, ganito siya. Actually, marami kang pagpipilian sa shop na yon na kung saan ko to binili. So, meron yung mataas yung pero mas mahal. Meron din yung mas malaki yung panglagayan ng cellphone or ng ginagamit nyo for vlogging. And then, the connectors for the phone and the mic as well. So, ito ang pinaka gusto ko talaga na mga part. So, meron siyang mic na kasama. So, ganito siya. Ganito talaga siya, yung mic. Tapos, dito mo gagamitin yung connector and then connect this with your phone. And for me, since I have I am using my iPhone XS, I have my connector as well for my iPhone XS. So, hindi naman ganito yung audio jack ng phone ko. Kaya, bumili ako ng separate na connector. So, since I have this kind, ganito, parang pang charger yung connector. So I'll just connect this to this and then charge it as well. I mean, lagay mo yun dun sa phone mo, sa iPhone ko. And if you have the Android, so magagamit mo siya directly. So ito yung pang-minimize ng mga noise na ginagamit ang mga vloggers as well. Especially mga singers like that. So ito yung mas gusto ko talaga na gamitin ito compared nito. Pero actually mas naman sila, same lang man sila ng purpose, pang minimize lang ng noise. So ganito lang, lagay mo yung mic mo and tada, may mic ka na for your vlogging. And then siya ito yung ginagamit ko usually kasi mas wala lang, maganda lang tignan. Alright, so yun yung mga laman ng aking ito yung pouch ng mic natin. So siren. So included siya dun sa kit na binili natin. So ito, simple lang at saka mura. I think you can purchase this at a lower price as well because nung na-purchase ko siya, parang discount ako from Shopee. And ganun. And since I am using now my phone, which is my iPhone XS, so I will just be using for this video the phone of my sister Berna. So ganito lang siya. Once assemble mo na yung handle, ganito lang siya. May adjuster siya. And then dito mo ilalagay yung mic. And then may vlog equipment ka na for your vlogging. So, pwede rin siya ganitohin. I-adjust mo lang siya. And then, actually, I'm planning to purchase the Gorilla Pad. Gorilla Pad ba yung Gorilla Pad. So, online din. So, para mas mataas din dito. I mean, mas mahaba yung pang stand niya. So, so, ganun lang. So, those are my vlogging equipments para sa aking YouTube channel. So, I hope you guys have learned and also can purchase with those. Actually, marami kayong makikita online. Meron namang Lazada, Shopee, and all that. So, browse lang dun sa mga online systems or apps na yon for you to as well purchase this mumurahin and swak na budget vlogging equipment. If this content helps you for your vlogging career soon, then don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell for you to get notified whenever I have any content. Thank you! Goodbye mga gore! If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for you to get notified whenever. The bell button? Sakto ba? Balik sabi. Hello mga gore! Welcome back to my channel! This is Marvin of MReh. Welcome.